Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to grow your hair using two major ingredients, which includes 1. Cloves and 2. Hibiscus flower, commonly known as zobo leaf. Cloves is good for the hair because it adds growth to the hair, it strengthens it, it prevents dandruff, and also it reduces hair falls. On the other hand, hibiscus flower moisturizes the scalp, it cures itchiness of the hair, and also prevents premature graying of hair. But before we continue, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and enable post notification so you will know when next I post new videos. With me here is the hibiscus flower and these are the cloves. Pick few, like 5 to 6 of the cloves, and then pour in the hibiscus flower. After which, add our water. To get a better result, you pour in warm water. You cover it and leave it for at least 8 hours and at most 12 hours. After leaving it for 8 to 12 hours, here is our solution. Next thing is to sieve it out. Make sure your bowl is clean. Next, you take your spray bottle, which is well cleaned and sterilized. Pour it in. And here is our mixture ready for use. Apply it on your hair, either braided or loosed. Make sure you massage it in. This can stay up to an hour on the hair before you wash it off. Let me know your experience in the comment section. But before we go, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and enable post notification for you to know when next I post new video. And don't forget, You can use this 2 to 3 times in a week and store in the refrigerator.